Hello there, this is Rahel from All About Affiliate Marketing. In this video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of boAt. So let me take you to the website, which is boat-lifestyle.com. For the ones who don't know what is boAt, boAt is a brand that primarily focuses on manufacturing audio products and accessories, particularly headphones, earphones, wireless speakers, and other audio-related gadgets. Both products often feature trendy design, modern technology, and competitive pricing, making them popular among young consumers who are looking for good value for money. The brand quickly gained recognition in the Indian market due to its emphasis on providing quality audio products that caters to the preferences of the youth. So if you're from India, you can come to the website, you can explore all these amazing products and buy for yourself if you like. But can you earn money from boAt? Of course you can. You can simply promote them via their affiliate program, and when you bring consumers to them, and if these consumers make purchase, you will end up getting commission out of it. But there's a problem. So you would only be able to promote boAt to Indian traffic. That means if you do not have audience from India or traffic from India, that unfortunately this video is not made for you. You might want to explore other videos that I have created. You can go to the playlist of my YouTube channel and explore all the other amazing videos, and you can promote other brands. But if you do have traffic or audience from India, then this video is for you. So let's assume you have it. Now, let's talk about the affiliate program of boAt. So for that, you can come to this website, which is sowan.com /commerce. Now, what is Sowan and why we are talking about them? So Sowan is, or rather Sowan Commerce, is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there, or rather digital marketing network. And one of the things they got is called Sowan Commerce. It's equivalent to the affiliate network. So basically to promote or to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, or to promote those brands through the affiliate program and start getting commission, you have to join Sowan Commerce. So you can come to this website. I'm going to mention the link to the website in the video description. You can click on the link and come to the website. Once you're here, you can click on sign up, which will take you to the registration process. Now, there are many nuances that you have to ensure that you're aware of and you work through it before you will get an active account with someone. So don't you worry. I recently had created a video on how to create and use the affiliate account on Sowan Commerce. Just follow the instructions from the video. You'll find the video link in the video description as well. Once you have followed the instructions, I'm sure you would be able to create an account with Sowan, or rather Sowan Commerce. Once you have created it, you can come to this website again, this link rather, and then click on sign in. And over here, you can click on commerce, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your email address and password combination, which will then take you to something called dashboard. You may call it affiliate platform or affiliate dashboard. Once we are here, this is a place where you would be able to find the affiliate program of different brands out there. But since the focus of the video is boAt, we will be talking about boAt. For that, you can click on commerce, and then over there, you can click on approve merchants. And once you're here, you can click on all merchants. So again, once you get to the platform, you can click on commerce, approve merchants, and all merchants. And once you have clicked on it, just simply search, use the search bar and search for boAt. So you can search it and look for something that says boAt lifestyle. So this is the one. And the good thing about Sowan Commerce is you don't need the approval from brands. You only need the approval from Sowan Commerce team. So when you will be creating your account, assuming following the instructions from the video, I have explained it over there that how can you get the approval from Sowan. So let's say you got the approval, you would be able to find brands like this. And once you found the brand, in our case, boAt Lifestyle, you can click on the name, which will open more details about them. And you can see all the details about the affiliate program. And currently, they're providing 8% commission rate. So whatever sale is going to happen, you will end up getting 8% of that sale amount. That's amazing. And the question is, how can you promote them? So for that, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use your own tracking link. Tracking links are basically unique to you, and that's what helps affiliate network in knowing that, okay, the sale happened and it should get attributed to you. So how do you create tracking link? To do that, simply click on create link, and over here, it will ask you to select your site. Just click on the drop down icon from here and select your site. And once you've selected the site, you can enter the product URL. Now, from where can you get the product URL? You can go to the website, boat-lifestyle.com. Any product that you like, you can just click on it. Let's say we want to create a tracking link for this. Click on the link, which will take you to the page of the product. Just copy that specific page and come back to the Someone Commerce dashboard. Once you're here within the product URL, you can paste the URL that you've copied. Let's copy it once more, and you can paste it in here. Once you pasted it, you can simply take the name from the URL. Doesn't matter whatever link name you want to give. It's basically the referencing, but it's better to take the name of the product as a link name. So you can mention it here like this. It's basically you're giving a name to your own link. And for more reference, you can mention the brand name as well. Okay, so once you have given the link name, you can also explore tracking and advanced settings. But let's say you're good with it, you can simply click on create. And what this will do, this will create a tracking link for you. You see, the tracking link had been created and it had been copied. So if I put it here, you see, this is a tracking link. So this is how you can create the tracking link for any product on boAt Lifestyle website. And whatever links that you have created like this, you would be able to find them if you click on create link section. So over there, you would be able to find all the tracking links that you have created. So let's say you have created a tracking link. How and where can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. So let's talk about the first one, which would be website and blog. So it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got. And this is true, like everyone use some or other electronic device if they're using the computer system. So it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, just put the advertisement anywhere on your website. And if it interests you, consumer will click on it. And if they will click on a tracking link, they will end up buying some product and you will end up getting commission out of it. The other way is blog. You could start writing blog posts about different products of boAt, and at the end of each blog post, you can mention a tracking link. This way, if someone likes the product, they can click on the tracking link, go to the boAt's website, makes the purchase. The second, and I think is the better than website and blog, is the electronics website. So let's say you got a website where you feature electronics products, including earphones and all that. So that kind of website is well suited for boAt. So you can promote the products of boAt over there. Probably you can create some section just for boAt where people can go to that section, can see all the products available for boAt and explore and click on the links accordingly. And the third way is social media. So as we have seen when we were looking at Someone Commerce, that they were fine with social media as well. It was written in the description of the tracking link. So you could also promote boAt on any social media platform like Facebook, Twitter. Then we got YouTube as well. Probably on Facebook or Instagram, you could create reels and just talk about any product of boAt and then put your tracking link in the description. You can also do that. So these are the ways you could promote them, but not just limited to it. You can promote them the way you like. Just ensure whatever way you promote, that's being approved, and the tracking link that you have created, it's for that specific site only. You're not allowed to promote the tracking link of any brand on the online presence which is not approved by Someone Commerce. So that's one thing to keep in mind. So let's say you started promoting them and they started generating sales. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come back to the affiliate dashboard, so on Someone Commerce, and you can click on analytics, and that's where you would be able to see all your performance, like clicks, sales, and everything. So let's say, okay, you have been seeing that. How can you get the payment of it? So the payment, whatever commissions that will get generated, you can click on account, and over here you can go to payment. And once you're there, you can set up your payment method over there. The payment method could be you could choose from check, PayPal, wire transfer, or local bank transfer, and you can set up your payment method. And then you can expect to receive the payment from Someone Commerce once the accumulated commission in your Someone Commerce affiliate account exceeds $25. So this is how you can start promoting boAt, and you can start earning commission and start getting it from Someone Commerce. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in promoting boAt to your audience and consumers. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.